worked. Oh my god, I've been trying to live stream for so long, guys. And I think I'm finally live. Let's go.
Don't give me this, don't give me living. That's what you get when you act
Am I actually live right now?
Don't give me
Let's check.
this, don't give me living.
Oh my god, I'm live.
That's what you get
Yes.
when you act the fool.
Let's go.
Don't give me this, don't give me living. That's what you get when you act the fool.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Don't give me this,
Am I live everywhere? Let's
don't give
check.
me living.
Oh my god, I'm live everywhere.
That's what you get
I'm live on Twitter.
when you act the fool.
Am I live on Twitch? Holy shit, I'm live on Twitch for the first time. I'm live on Kick. Oh my god. And, oh my god. Hold on. Am I like echoing? Let me close all of this. Okay, am I live on TikTok? No. Okay, I was trying to do this for so long. Okay, let me actually post that I'm live. Let's make a tweet. Officially live. Let's go. Okay. Okay, this music's a little bit too loud. Oh, am I doubling the audio? Uh-oh, I think I had like double music the whole time. But it should be good now. Hopefully. I think I'm gonna have to like pause the music to kind of listen to this and see if it actually sounds fine. Hold on, let's see. Is it buffering? Okay, we got viewers. Holy shit, did it work? Okay. Yeah, the music was kind of loud. I think it should be better now. If you guys are here, say what's up, what's up, what's up. I'm finally live streaming. I'm gonna be vibe coding with you guys. It's the first time I'm setting this up and I'm trying to get it live everywhere. All right, we got one viewer. What's up? Where in the world is Gillian? How's it going? Let's go.
Don't give me this, don't give me living. That's what you get when you act the fool.
Let's go.
Give me this,
How's this going? Okay, we got 4 viewers. Is that right? Let's go.
when you act
Say what's up in the chat, y'all. We're gonna be live vibe coding tonight with Kimmy K3, Claude Fable 5, and Quen 3.8 that just came out today. Let's take a look at this actually. So you can try out Quen 3.8 that just came out today. Let's switch to 3.8 right here on chat.quen.ai. This is completely free. Oh, Jillian. Okay, it's pronounced Jillian. Got it. So anyways, Quen 3.8 is live. It's completely free on their website, and they're letting us use this for free because it's a preview. So they're using all of the answers that they're getting to train the model to make it even better. So if we actually go on Twitter and we search for, I think they have an account where they were talking about this here. Yeah, so during preview, Quen 3.8 is getting better by the day. Latest version is live now with broad gains and a big setup or step up on web front end. So it's apparently really good. Apparently just losing to Fable 5. So I want to run some tests here. I think the first one that we can run is let's see. I need to take my car to the car wash. Should I drive or walk? It's 50 feet away. This is like a really well-known prompt to test the AI model to see if it's actually smart, because of course you need to drive, right? So okay, there you go. You got to drive. So you got this one right. Let's see some more. And if you guys are watching, let me know if the music is too loud, if the sound sounds good. This is the first time I'm live streaming, and I'm live streaming with this new software called SE Live, which runs on OBS. It's like a plugin for OBS that lets you live stream on multiple platforms. So I have it running right here on like multiple platforms, and I'm not sure if it's good. Oh, okay. Also, my screen is like not properly sized. I gotta fix that as well. There you go. Okay, that's better. We gotta make this fill the screen. Let's go. Okay. Let's see how we're doing here on Twitter. Well, I think we got 6 viewers. Say hi, y'all. And let's keep testing this. So let's do create a single HTML file for a snake game. Oh, I'm using the wrong model. We want to use 3.8. There you go. Start a new chat here. 3.8 max. Let's see these. Okay, we only have a thinking model here. Makes sense. All right, let's see how it's thinking about this. I'm designing an interactive web-based snake game that runs entirely in the browser without external dependencies. Oh, you know what? I just forgot. I got a blue light for the background. Now I think I look like a legit live streamer. That looks a lot nicer. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? I think my camera white balance is a little off. It's making me look really yellow, but it's fine. I'll fix that for the next stream. I wonder if I'm also live on YouTube Shorts, because apparently that was something that I could do here, and I want to see if that actually worked. Testing the audio. I think does this sound better like this, guys? All right, let's see if I'm actually live on YouTube Shorts as well. I don't know how to see that, to be honest. It just shows that I'm live on horizontal format. So if you're watching me on vertical format on YouTube Shorts, let me know. But yeah, this is still generating here. I also got this other terminal here that's running Kimi K3, and I'm working on improving the Mark Studios website. So let me show you guys this here. This is like a quote generation website for markstudios.com. Right now we have a version of this live. If you click start your project here, it takes you to this. And you know, this is basically an improved version of that, and that's what I'm working on. So essentially you go on here and you can like get your price for your project. Has this cool animation, and then you can select what you need. This is how it looks right now, but I'm working on an improved version. So this page, you know, looks a lot better already. There are a few things that we need to improve here, like this logo should be right here on the right. I think these numbers could be like blue. I want to add more videos to here, and maybe a second row, and I want the user to be able to drag and slide here. So we could start prompting all of this to Kimi K3. Kimi K3 is awesome, guys. I don't know if you guys have tried this yet, but it's literally, oh, I just realized I wasn't sharing my screen. Great. Okay, now I'm sharing the screen. See, I'm still learning this, guys. It's the first day live streaming. But look, I was showing this right here. So markstudios.com is my website. If you go to place an order, you click start your project, and this is how it looks right now. But I want to make this a lot better, and so I started working with Kimi K3 to make it better, and it made this new page. So there's a few things that we need to improve here. Like I want to make this text blue. I want to move this logo to the right here. I want to let the user slide through this, and maybe there's like auto marquee slider on this. Right now you have to click the arrow to slide through these. I want to add more videos here. this client's testimonials. I want to be able to play on the, like, click on this and then the video opens up and starts playing the client's testimonial. I need to test to make sure that the AI project description thing works on here. I think this button, answer a few taps instead, could be a little bit more prominent. Now how we have it on here, I like how simple this is, but I think this is gonna convert more. So yeah, let's see if Qwen generated something here. Okay, it did. Let's download this and open it up and see what it made. Okay, this looks fine. It works. It's not like extremely impressive. I've seen better results, but there are no bugs. Press any arrow key to restart. Okay. This is a fine result. I mean, this is obviously an easy game to make. Maybe we should try something harder like Minecraft. But this is not on a CLI, so you know the results that we get are gonna be kind of limited. And let's switch this music. I kind of want to check how this sounds for you guys, just because, you know, it's my first time live streaming. I want to make sure this actually sounds good. So, you know, the results that we get are going to be kind of limited. It's kind of fine, I think. Okay. Let's go back to this. So let's test it with some more stuff. Let's see what's in the community here. Okay, they have image, video, web dev. Oh, okay. So it can do like nature games. Oh, it did Minecraft in Russian. Oh, it has a web dev mode. Oh, it's the coder right here. That's what we need to be using. Okay, but this doesn't work. Okay, let's make one that actually works. So let's try this coder. I'm gonna have to connect my GitHub. Oh no. Is this even using the latest model? How do we see? All right, connect GitHub to start where? Oh, there you go. Add environment to start coding. Okay. Oh god, I'm gonna have to connect so many things. Is this even using the latest model? How do we see? Okay, let me see if I can do this here on the side. And we can start promoting this to improve this page. And we got how many people here? 17 views so far, and wait, 17 viewers? I don't know how to see this. Oh god, YouTube just logged me out. Okay. I don't know how people live stream. This is crazy. You gotta do so many things at the same time, and it doesn't work. I was trying to turn this on for like, I don't know, maybe 2 hours. It started at 8 p.m. Maybe more than 2 hours. It just would not work. Okay, no, we definitely don't have 17 viewers. We have 17 views. Right? I don't even know. I wish this thing would just tell me how many viewers are watching, like in total on all the live streams. But it doesn't. Like, check this out. This is what I see on my end. It doesn't tell me how many people are watching. Does it say here? No. That's so dumb. Anyways. Maybe I could check on YouTube. Got 4 people watching. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I also want to make some improvements to artificialwatch.com. This website is a website I built after I built FableWatch. FableWatch was kind of a success. Like, it kind of went viral on Twitter or X. and we got 1,800 people to sign up, 87 product hunt likes, upvotes. And basically, I launched this when Fable went down because the government took it down. And, people wanted to know when the model was going to come back. And so I set this up. It basically checks the API and then notifies you when the model is back live. And I made some money with it. And it was cool building this. And so I thought, okay, now that Fable is back, what could I build similar to this? Because clearly there's a demand for people, to know when the newest AI model is going to come out. So I built Artificial Watch, which basically watches all the APIs and let it, and notifies you if a new model comes out. So today we had Qwen 3.8 Max come out, the preview via their website, and we've had Kimi K3 and all these other models, and we're watching other ones that may be coming out soon, like GLM 5.3. They may even skip 5.3 and go straight to 5.5. I've heard that on Twitter. We have DeepSeek V4 Pro, which apparently is going to be really good, coming out soon as well. And so, if you sign up here, it's completely free, and you get an email and Chrome push notification. And there's also some plans, but like I really need to finish building this out. Like, we still have all of these things to build, and the plan, you can get an SMS or a call. And so I gotta work on this more. One thing that I did that I thought was really cool was I combined all of the benchmarks into one place. So there are all these places where these companies like benchmark the AI models to see which one is the best, right? So like we have arena.ai, we have Simple Bench, LLM Stats, Live Bench, Vols AI, Bridge Bench. Artificial Analysis is like the most known one. And essentially I combined all of them into one spot that you can see all of them together, right? And then I get the average of all of them, and I set that as the Artificial Watch benchmark index, right? And so we have Claude Fable 5 as the number 1, GPT 5.6 as number 2, and Kimi K3 as number 3. But honestly, from my tests, I think Kimi K3 is better than GPT 5.6. It only loses to Fable 5, at least when it comes to front end development. So what else was I doing? I had a lot of things going on that I was trying to do at the same time. And okay, I was trying to set up an environment with Qwen Coder so that we can code with this new AI model that just came out today, the Qwen 3.8 Max. So let me see if I can set this up on the side here really quick. It's asking me to authenticate with GitHub. I have a problem that when I speak too much, my throat starts to hurt a lot. I don't know how people speak for that long and their throat doesn't hurt. Maybe I have to just do it more often, and I don't know, I'll heat up my throat or something, get more used to it. Someone said AI viewers streamboo.com on Twitch. I don't know what that is. Let's look that up. Streamboo. Buy real Twitch followers. Oh, okay. No, I don't want that. Let me try to finish setting this up. I think I did it. It's wanting me to work inside of an environment or a repository, which I don't really want to do. I'd rather just work on a completely new project. But I guess I'm gonna have to work inside an already existing project. Or can I create a new one? I have a vibe coding playlist I think I'm gonna play. And all this music that I'm playing is completely copyrighted. I don't plan on really monetizing these streams. It's not like it would make any money anyway, so. I think this music is fine though.
Enjoy life, stay sexy, and don't give a fuck.
Okay, so I guess I have to create a brand new repository on my GitHub in order to work with this. So let's try to do this. Let's call this Minecraft Quen test. Testing Quen 3.8 max. Or let's just call it a Quen test. We don't want that public. And let's create that. Now I should be able to connect this here. There you go. There you go. Okay. Can I code now? There we go. Let's go. Okay, so let's say build Minecraft. Coding. Oh god. GitHub connection failed. Is it maybe the privacy badger? Okay, let's see. Create Minecraft. Still doesn't let me. Do I need to have a branch? No. Please check if your GitHub is accessible. It is. I literally just connected. Yeah, I mean, clearly this is not working. I don't get it. I really don't know why this is not working. Well, I guess we'll just go to the things that actually matter. Which is, you know, I need to finish improving Artificial Watch and also the Mark Studios quote generator. So I'm gonna start vibe coding with Kimi K3 to fix this. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go. You know what? I should probably code something that shows me how many viewers I have on all the platforms, because I'm wondering this and I can't tell looking. I have to open all of them? Like, that's retarded. But anyways, let's see what we have to do to improve this page. All right, this looks a lot better. I want a few more edits. Under trusted by solo creators and teams at, I need the World Poker Tour logo to the right of the Morgan & Morgan logo. Also, I think the World Poker Tour logo has colors and for some reason it's just black on here. For the client's testimonials, for Carolyn, we need her photo. And then for Desi and Nick Norwitz, they have like video testimonials that need to play when I click on their photo. So it should be like a video. When I click on their photo, it should show like a play button and then it opens up their video with their testimonial as like an overlay in the middle of the website so people can watch the testimonial. I think we have also like a testimonial from Financial Wolf that needs to be on here. Also, the file state private pill is under the other three, and I want it to the right of the NDA by default pill. For the real client work, example projects, I want the user to be able to click and drag and slide on there instead of just using the arrows. Also, I don't really like some of the videos that you selected for this preview, so change the short one and change the podcast one to something else. Then I think for the verified on Fiverr, maybe we should have like a Fiverr logo on there. And for the real client work, I think we should have 2 rows. So right now we only have 1 row of work. And we should probably have 2. So add another row below that and maybe make them smaller so we can actually fit 2 without having to resize everything. And maybe make the client work automatically slide from right to left, and then when I hover over it, it stops sliding, kind of like a marquee. Also, for the 10,000 plus projects delivered, the 4,500 5-star reviews, and 24-hour first reply, I want to have those numbers be colored in blue. And for the footer section, I think we could improve the design of that a little bit more as well. Put a little bit more effort into that. And at the top left, where it says Mark Studios start your project, I don't know if we actually need to say Mark Studios there again. So you can remove Mark Studios, just keep start your project. And for this pill where it says 4.9/5 Fiverr with the little blue star that's kind of floating, I think it should say on Fiverr. All right. I think that was quite a long prompt. We'll see how that comes out. The tool that I use to like do text to speech is called Spokenly. And the creator of Spokenly actually gave me a whole year of Spokenly for free. And he also gave me this prompt to use where it like takes what you said and it makes it even better. Oh, there's an update available. I should probably put that in. Let me see if I can show you guys this. The music's a little loud. I can't even hear myself. Where's this prompt? I thought it was here. I don't know. Maybe it got removed. Pretty sure it was there. Is it here? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay. So yeah, it's like this whole prompt that like will fix what you said and make it better. So for example, if you say smiley face, it adds this emoji, right? Or like if you say 100 or 800, it will write actually 800. You know what I mean? Or like gigabytes, it will write 1 gigabyte. So this like improves what you say a lot when you're using like text to speech. If anyone wants this prompt, let me know and I can give it to you guys. The creator of Spokenly sent it to me. Let me actually run this update here. Let's see how we're doing on YouTube. So just 4 viewers. I mean, guys, for you guys that don't know, like I have 200,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel because I used to make videos about what it's like to live in the United States as a Brazilian. I was born in Brazil and I moved to the US and I started making videos about what it was like to live here as a Brazilian, right? And I make videos in Portuguese. And so all my content was in Portuguese and it's all now privated. But like I used to make videos that would get tons of views in Portuguese. Like take a look, 2 million views, 1 million views, 900,000, right? So that's what I used to make. And so like the 200,000 subscribers I have are all Brazilian. And oh, someone just texted me, I tried joining your live and it didn't work. Interesting. Oh, it works now. Okay, cool. And you know, I used to make all these videos in Portuguese and I was like, okay, I'm done making videos about what it's like to live in the US. Like I'm not passionate about this. And while I was in college, I actually started selling my services on Fiverr and I started, you know, selling video editing on Fiverr and I really grew on there. I became a top rated seller. I have 4,700 reviews on there. And I started making a lot of money on Fiverr. And so I was like, okay, I don't really need to make YouTube videos anymore, right? Like I need to focus on this Fiverr stuff. There's a lot of money to be made. A lot of people want to be YouTubers, and so I could help them because I was just a YouTuber for the past like 10 years and I have 200,000 subscribers. I know how to get views. I know how to be a YouTuber and I know how to edit videos. So I started selling my editing services on Fiverr and it did really well. And so I stopped posting, right? I completely stopped posting on my channel. For like 5 years, I didn't post. I just focused on Fiverr and I really grew it to a point now where I was like, okay, Fiverr's doing good, you know, and I want to go back to YouTube, but what am I really going to create, right? And I was spending all of my free time that I wasn't working on Fiverr vibe coding and like checking AI news and looking into AI and watching AI creators. And so I was like, okay, this is what I need to talk about. This is what I need to do. And so I started posting a lot on X and I started making YouTube videos about AI. And so that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to grow my channel talking about AI. I've had some really viral posts on X recently, actually. Oh, this got posted multiple times. Yeah, let me delete these ones. I was attempting to go live and it would not work, as you can see. But anyways, I had some really good viral posts on X. Like this one just got 17,000 views. This one got posted yesterday about Kimi K3. The results from Kimi are really cool. Like I've been using Kimi. I'm using it right now. It's like running this prompt that I just submitted. And it's actually really good. Especially for front-end development and game development. It's like Fable 5 level of quality. And I'm trying to not overuse my Fable 5 usage because I don't have much of it, even though I'm on the max plan. You know, with Kimi K3 I can basically do everything that I'm doing with Fable 5, and so I'm not really using Fable much right now. I'm mostly using it for, like, for example, I uploaded a screenshot of it and I said, okay, what could be better here, and it just gives me like ideas of what to make better. But anyways, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, the post on X, right? So I've had some posts that went kind of viral. Let's see if I can pull some more here. Not all of them go viral, of course. Most of them get just a few views, a few hundred views. But let's see, I had this one got 6.8 thousand views talking about the artificial watch index, which combines all the benchmarks in one place. Let's see what else. Oh, this one went mega viral, talking about Kimi K3 when it came out, and it got 126,000 views. And so I've been having a bunch of companies reach out to me now because of this. And so I'm talking to Kimi, I'm talking to Minimax, I'm talking to Abacus AI, and I'm probably gonna get sponsored by them. This one got 3.5 thousand. What else? I had one that went super viral. For the, oh, this one did pretty good. I didn't even see this. 27,000. Oh, this one too. 21,000. Wow. Fable 5 gets cut from cloud subscriptions tomorrow. Yeah, they walked back on this. Thank God. Look at me. This is me doing like a video shoot event for 6 hour. I also do, you know, video production, and so if you want to hire me to record your event or whatever, I'm available in Palm Beach County. Oh, I made this cool little app. Well, it's a game. It's called Bear Out. I don't know if you guys seen this before, but it's like this game that's on this ad, and the game doesn't exist. You can only play it on the ad. It's like a fake ad, right, for this game that it's not really what the ad is showing. And so I built the game from the ad. It's called Bear Out. You can go play it if you want. It's bearout.vercel.app. I built mine out like a ton, and then I just stopped working on this. I did it with Fable 5, and I was like, okay, this is cool, but then I was like, okay, there's no point of, you know, building this further, so it just is what it is. Let's see what else. Oh, this one got 12,000 views on how to max out your Claude plan. Basically, you use the free tier until you hit the limit, then you buy the pro tier, and then you use it until you hit the limit again, then you buy the 5x plan, and then you use it until you hit the limit, and then you upgrade to the 20x plan, and then you cancel it immediately so that it doesn't renew automatically, and then you use it until you hit the limit, and then you get a new Claude account if you hit the limit. Or you can just use this plan, you know, if you don't use it that much, you won't hit the limit, and then it's gonna automatically cancel, and then it's gonna put you back on the free tier, and then you can just keep rerunning this. It's like you get Claude for cheaper if you actually do this. Also, this is super interesting. If you're using Fable, right? Look, you should be using Fable Medium for most of the tasks because it's way cheaper, but it's better than Opus 4.8, right? If you go to high, it's a big jump in like quality of results, but it's also a lot more expensive. It goes from like $7 to $10, right? So you're gonna use your credits, your usage a lot faster if you use high instead of medium. What else? Oh, this one got 300,000 views. I did not see this. That's crazy. And this one 1,000 views, 4,000 views. I was doing pretty good back there. There's one that I think got 600,000 views. That was crazy. Where is it? Oh, this one got 375,000. Oh, that's not my post. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Oh, here. 681,000 views. So on X, I'm getting a ton of views when I post like model comparisons, and I'm definitely gonna keep doing this. We're almost at 4,000 followers, which is awesome. Like literally yesterday I hit 3,900, so I gained like 79 followers in the last 24 hours. Just got 2 new followers. Thanks for following me, guys. Let's see the live stream here on X. Is anyone even watching this? Oh, 32 viewers. What's up, guys? How do I have 32 viewers and no one is commenting? Like, come on, leave some comments. I want to talk to you guys. But yeah, how is it doing on YouTube? Okay, no one's watching on YouTube. I don't know how to. I don't understand this. Is it 5 viewers, or is it 37? How do I see this? Okay, let me open this here. 6 people watching. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how many people are watching in total because this is my first time streaming in like multiple platforms at once, and I want to know how many viewers I have in total. So I have 2 people watching on Kick. I have 30. How many were on X? 32? Or was it more? Hey, all right, we got a comment. Fire Games, how's it going, man? Okay, we got 32 views on X. We got, is that like current watchers, or is it just 32 views in total? And no one is actually watching this live. How do I know? Okay, anyways, let's say it's 32. So I feel a little better. We got 2 people watching on Kick, so 34. And then on YouTube we got 6, right? Okay, so we got 38. Oh, and then we have Twitch. I've never streamed on Twitch. I never even used Twitch. And we have 1 person here. Okay, so we got 39 viewers. That's not bad. First time streaming. If that's right. You're my hero. Oh, thank you, guys. Oh, 2 guys think I'm... Okay. I shouldn't be your hero. What is this notification? Okay, nothing. Let's see if this is done. This is not done. One of the big problems with Kimi is that it's super slow. It just takes forever, right? Like I submitted this prompt maybe like 20 minutes ago, and it's still doing its thing. While it's doing that, I guess we could try to work with Fable and Opus to improve Artificial Watch. So let me open a new terminal here. I have set my CLI so I could just type C, and then it will I just got a message from a friend who commented on the stream. He said, "Obrigado," which is thank you in Portuguese, but it is wrong. For some reason, your comment doesn't show up on my multi-chat here. I don't know why. But anyways, I can just type C here and it launches Claude. So I don't have to actually, it launches it with bypass permissions on. I literally just told Claude, hey, I just want to type C in the terminal instead of writing Claude -- bypass permissions or whatever. So it helps me launch Claude much faster. Anyways, let's fix this. So let's see what needs fixing here. I think there's a lot that needs fixing. I just don't know exactly where to even start. I had some messages from this friend that told me what to do with this, so maybe I should just open that up and kind of follow what he said. Oh, also, this is a really cool thing that I made. It's called Tab Out. It's on my GitHub. It's open source. It's basically just a tab for your Chrome browser. Lets you like launch websites pretty quick, and it shows the tabs that you have. It shows like history of how many pages you looked at yesterday, and yeah. Okay, let me open this up here on another tab so I can grab the suggestions he gave me. You guys like house music? 5.6 so also slow AF. Interesting. Yeah, I honestly don't really like using chat 5.6. I think it's really bad at coding. I only use right now. I'm only using Kimi K3 and Claude. I've heard that it's good for backend development, but I don't use it that much. Let's see. Okay, so I have all the things that we need to put here. Let me copy each one into here. Let's change the model as well to Fable to get this right. Oh no, they have this bug that I don't know why this keeps happening. Is this happening with you guys too? Where you can't use Fable? It says it runs on credits. It said on the status website from Claude that it was a bug. It's gone now. And maybe I just have to run Doctor. Let's see how Kimmy is doing here. Still working on it. Okay, let's see if Doctor will fix that. But while we're here, I'll just try to work on this with Opus. So let's launch Claude again, and I'll work with it on Opus. So we have all of these things that we need to fix. Hey, I need you to implement / fix these things on the Artificial Watch website. Comparison pages we already thought about. What else? I think that's it. Oh, this right here. No, this is for Mark Studios. Okay. So let's launch these things. Let's have Opus work on that. And the Doctor is still working through here. I really don't know why Fable is not working for me. Is it working for you guys? Can someone please comment? Is Fable working for you guys? I'm on the Claude Max subscription and I can't use it. Yesterday it was the same thing. I was running through this problem, but it literally it said on the Claude status website that they had this problem with it, and they said just restart your terminal and it should work. So I restarted it and it didn't work, and so I was like, okay, maybe it's still like not working. And so I just waited until today and it's still not working, and it says here that it's all systems operational. So I don't know if they're just not aware of the bug, or maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let's see if the doctor will be able to find any issues with it. Make sure I'm on the latest version. We have Kimmy working here on the Mark Studios website, improving this. It added the logo already. I see it moved this over here, and it made this fully colorful, which is not what I wanted. I wanted to just have color when I hover over it. And it also has like this black background, which I did not want. It added the Fiverr logo, but I don't like how it did it, honestly. I think maybe it should just be like verified on Fiverr and then the Fiverr logo there, or maybe we just don't have that at all. Still didn't move this. It improved the footer a little bit more. This looks a little bit better, I think. I don't know. Maybe it should just be 4.9 on and then the logo Fiverr next to it. It added it on here. What do you guys think? Do you guys have any feedback on this? Oh, it's already putting the testimonials here, so you can watch. Let's see. Yeah, there you go.
Hello, my name's Will. I run the YouTube.
That looks good. I need to add more testimonials to the Mark Studios website as well. Let's see, guys. I'm probably not going to be able to live stream for much longer today. It was like, this was really just a test, but I want to start live streaming every day. Look at how funny this my face looks here. Oh, is it completely frozen? Oh, no. Okay, it's not, right? Okay, it's not. Thank God. And can someone tell me on X if these views are like actually live viewers watching me right now? I think it's not. I think it's just how many views we got in total. Try mock-ups, give me 5 different versions of the design. Yes, I did do that already for this right here, and this is what I landed on. The current one that we have looks like this. This one is live, and it's a lot more simple, which is nice, but like I think this is gonna increase conversion. It's a little overwhelming though, I'm not gonna lie, but it's already looking a lot better like this. I think this should probably have like a fade on the left and on the right. This video is not really playing. Okay, it is. Yeah. These things are so subjective, you know? I guess they're not so subjective, but design is subjective. But there are definitely best practices that I'm probably not following to the T. Though I keep telling the AI to follow best practices. Let's see if the doctor found anything. Okay, found a bunch of stuff. The problem is that I can't use Fable. So there's something wrong with my Claude. Unless no one can use Fable right now. Is there anyone talking about this on X? I guess not. Let me see what shows up here when I try to run it. Not sure about showing any price in the landing page, maybe. Talking about showing price on this page? Because this is the Mark Studios landing page. I don't show pricing here, so you think I should? It's just that like we offer so many different services and it's really hard to say how much something is actually gonna cost until we actually like understand what you want. So like, you know, for instance, if you want like a video edited, right? And maybe it's better if I do it here. So let's see if this is actually working. I click here. Yeah, so say, you know, I want one video plus one thumbnail. Let's see if this will work. It should use, Open Router to call an LLM and then grab what they want and actually generate their quote and let them fill out their requirements. So I don't know if it's actually connected. It is connected here, I'm pretty sure. Unless it's not. It seems like it's not. And this is also not working now. Okay, let me close all of this. Okay, there we go. We'll just describe it in a sentence. Let's see. One video. I think I might be out of Open Router credits or something. Replace your current selections with what you just described. Okay. Oh, okay, there you go. So it is working. At least here. It's not working on my local host, which is fine. So like, you know, it selects what you want, and then from here you can go and like fill out the form with what your project actually is, right? And there's so much nuance with what people want that it's really hard to really give them a price without having them fill out this form. Let's see what people said. I got bullied just now on Twitch and made fun of my mental health, so I found your channel because you seem cool. Hey, welcome, man. Sorry you got bullied, but we won't bully you here. We're chill. We're just vibe coding, so it's just vibes here. I was gonna report them, but I didn't. But I told them off. I said it's against DOS to keep harassing and bullying me. Yeah, man. No, and the other one in the top right card. Are you talking about Artificial Watch? For Artificial Watch, we do have the pricing here. I don't know if you're talking about that, but we do have the pricing here. This is still like pretty much in like an alpha phase or like beta. I don't know. It was inspired by Fable Watch, which I made in like a few hours. What took the longest was getting the 10 DLC like application set up so that I could SMS people, but I got it done like the day before Fable came back and it worked out perfect, thank God. But I made like 200 bucks with this, and so I was like, okay, 1,800 people signed up for this. They must want to know when other AI models are going to come out. So I built Artificial Watch that lets you know when new AI models come out. I want to make an AI that takes means things people say online and make it funny so I'm not upset. Dude, that's super easy. Like, you could literally just tell Claude to do that, right? You go here, you go to Claude and you say, like, generate a temper monkey script. This is probably where you're gonna want a single file temper monkey, and you could do this like on Claude.ai. You don't even need to use the Claude code. Generate an Open Router script that uses a local LLM like Gemma 4 to read every single comment on Twitch live streams, and if it's a negative word or if it's a negative comment, it will replace it with a positive comment. And then you literally just install Temper Monkey on your browser and you put the script in there. They told me I got AI psychosis. What could be a funny joke? I have no idea, man. The localhost version, people might think that's the real price for something. Oh, right here. I see what you're saying, like right here, right? Yeah, so this is like a simulator, right? Like, try it. It's a live example of how much it would cost. It is the real price. So they could generate a quote from just this. Right? So like, let's say you want a video with you have 5 minutes of footage and you will link one thumbnail. It's going to be this price. And you can go and click pay and it will take you here with that selection, and you can then go through and put that on. But it's actually giving you the wrong price. Oh, for some reason, edit video SEO, even though it didn't have it here. So that's something we have to look into. Because, oh, you see, it's automatically adding that, even though I didn't click it here. Let's go back and try this again. Oh, okay, it didn't edit this time. Interesting. Let me try to force refresh. And let's clear cookies. Okay, let's try now. So I'll do 5 minutes, one thumbnail. Should be 145. Yeah. Okay, it's working. Yeah, Kimmy K3 is really good, guys. Kimmy K3 did this, and I'm impressed. Okay, let's see what else you guys said. I'm gonna try what you said. Actually, it's a good idea. Just have an LLM model replace negativity with either memes or just like jokes. Good idea, sir. I already rebuilt all of Twitch into a GUI. That's Python with Twitch API. So I have all that data locally. So all I need is add an LLM, then prompt it to inject. I don't use Twitch browser. Yeah, there you go. And that's even easier. That's cool that you built a Twitch GUI. Is that open source? We're approaching 11:30, guys. I haven't eaten today. I was trying to set this up for like 2 hours. I still have more work to do. Let's see if Kimmy finished here. I'm probably gonna go in like 4 minutes though. So if you guys want to say anything else, yeah, it's open source. That's cool, man. Leave a comment. I see the open source here. Let's take a look at this guy's thing. Twitch Freedom. Compact custom Tkinter desktop app for launching Twitch streams with Streamlink. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Yeah, man, it's crazy. With AI now, literally anyone can build anything. I have like, if you go to my GitHub, I have, I don't know, like 50 open source projects that I've built. Like there's so many apps that I just like come up with an idea and I just build it with one prompt. And now with Fable, like you can one shot so many projects, right? It's amazing. Let's see here what it did. Okay, this is still working. It seems like no one else is having problems with Fable, just me. Let me see if I can use it again. Let's try to activate Fable here. No. Fable runs on usage. And I have 0 credits for some reason. Even though I don't think I actually have 0 credits. Like if I go here and I just run usage. Let's see. So I only use 12% of my Fable. And yeah, I have, where are my credits? What does this say? Does it not say? I guess it doesn't say. Who the fuck is that? Anna Karenina? I don't know what that is. Do you guys get this too? Yeah, I don't know why that's happening. Let's look up on X if wait, no, not this person. Where was it? Model Fable. Let's look this up. Fable 5. And look at this. GenSpark just released something new. And they're giving 20 billion free credits. Oh, for their members. I'm not their member. But GenSpark is really good. I have it on my bookmark over here. They just released this new thing that like combines GPT 5.6 and Fable. Apparently it's really good. Okay, let's look this up. Okay, 36 minutes ago. I think Anthropic removed Fable 5 from my subscription today. Yeah, so I guess I'm not the only one. Can you guys please comment? Are you guys getting do you guys have access to Fable 5? You gotta follow Dope Stream, homie. Thank you, man. You gotta put money on Anthropic API for Fable now. No way. Are you serious? Even though I paid $200, because look, here it says beginning July 20. Oh, beginning July 20th, Fable 5 will be included in all max and team plans at 50% of limits. Okay, so it's included. Pro and Team standard users will continue to have access to Fable via usage credits. Oh. Wait, but I'm a Max user. I have a Max subscription, so shouldn't it be included? And shouldn't I get $100 in credit? Mine is there. Okay, so I guess there's something wrong with my account. I can use Fable on Claude.ai. Right? Let's see. Hi. Wasting my tokens on Hi. Yeah. I can use it on Claude.ai. I just can't use it on Claude, which or on Claude Code, which tells me that there's something wrong with my Claude code. Even though I can use it on Claude.ai on the web, I can't use Fable with Claude Code. So you need to fix this. Let's see if that fixes it. What else are you guys saying? Oh, we have Opus 4.8 working on this. I think it's almost done because it's testing some stuff. It's testing mobile view right now. The mobile view seems a little weird. It's like shifted to the left. That needs to be fixed. Also, this image is like too zoomed in. I don't know if this is because I'm looking on the browser or if it's actually like this on mobile, but it needs to be fixed. And did Kimmy finish? No, Kimmy ran into an error. But is it still running? Let's just say continue. Let me tell this guy, same here. Same here. At Anthropic. At Claude. At Claude Devs. At Boris. At Dario. At who else? I think that's it, right? Same here. Please look into this. I'm on the Max subscription. I can use Fable on the web, but not on but not with Claude Code CLI. All right, maybe they'll see this. Oh, maybe I should tag Tariq as well. Can I edit this? No, okay. Just put him here. Okay. Well, I guess this is kind of a W. First time streaming, and we got like a few viewers. I have no idea how many viewers I have. I want to create something that would just tell me one number, like this is how many viewers you have, because I'm streaming on all these platforms. So like here it says 42 views, but how many people are actually watching me? You know, it doesn't say. Makes no sense. Let's see if I go here. Live studio. 42 views. It doesn't say, oh, concurrent viewers. Okay, no one is watching on X. Okay, that makes sense. And we got comments that did not get put on my multi-chat. So it seems like the X comments don't get put on the multi-chat. But now I see them here. Try mock-ups. I don't know. There's no clear CTA, the left and right side. I like the design though. Also, when submitting into the AI, have better loading animations so it looks like something is happening instead of just, oh, that's such a good idea. There's no clear CTA. The left and right side both look like CTAs. That's true. We should probably tell that to Kimmy. Let's say that, and then let's say also this. Thanks for all the prompts, Simon. Okay, let's see now. Oh, I should probably not show that. Let's see how this is doing. And let's switch to the vibe coding playlist here. This is gonna get us super hacky. This is true. There are like way too many CTAs. It's kind of confusing. So when this is done, I'll run this prompt. This is the doctor. Says out of credits. Ventrina requires use of credits. On June 23, removed Fable. But I can use Fable on Claude.ai. Everyone else is able to use it too. And Anthropic literally posted this on Twitter today. So let's grab that post from Anthropic. What was it here? Or was it? I swear it was like right here when I looked it up. Maybe I have to remove this part. Oh yeah, right here. And this. But guys, I'm gonna be live streaming every single day vibe coding. So subscribe if you're not subscribed. My YouTube channel is Mark K Santos. Follow me on X, Mark K Santos as well. If you haven't left a like on this live stream, please go leave a like right now. It really helps out. Let's see if there's anyone even watching me on YouTube right now. That's the main place, honestly. This looks cool. I really like Max. He and the guys that inspired me to start live streaming vibe coding, I want to shout them out because they're dope. So Max Blade was one of them. The other guy was Bridgemind. Bridgemind was actually the main person that inspired me the most. He actually was like hyping me up on a live stream the other day. He like checked out my channel and everything. Let's see if we can find it here. Matt is just such a nice guy. Like, honestly. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find the live stream is really long. But like, he opened up my X. He said a bunch of things that like really inspired me. And so I was like, okay, I need to grind more. I need to be posting on X every hour. I need to be live streaming, you know? So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Alex Jones is live. Yeah, Alex Jones is live. How many tokens per second are you getting with Kimmy? I need to get better at reading chat fast. Let's see how many tokens per second. Where's Kimmy? Is here. It's not really telling me. Yeah, it doesn't tell me. So I guess I'll have to wait for this to finish for me to see the tokens per second. I don't know what LULW is. Link GitHub. My GitHub is github.com/Mark K Santos. All my platforms, if you want to find me online, is Mark K Santos on everything. Okay, so Bridgemind, shout out Bridgemind. There's also Billy. This guy also inspired me. He's live coding or vibe coding live every day with Fable 5 and Kimmy. Is really nice. And who else? I think that's it. So shout out to these guys, Max Blade, Billy, and Bridgemind. I'm gonna be live every day, guys. It's gonna be a huge journey. I want to get to 1 million subscribers, so I think we can really do it. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's see here who's actually watching this, if anyone. How do I see this? Okay, analytics. Okay, average of 4 people, peak of 9. Cool. For first stream, I'm really happy. I mean, I don't really have any expectations, to be honest, guys. I learned to not have expectations. This is the first time I'm showing up. I just have to keep showing up. Please leave a like on the stream if you haven't. Wherever you're watching. How many parameters on Kimmy? 1 million. 1 million parameters. Right? I'm no expert, guys. I'm just a guy that likes to vibe code. likes tech, you know. Okay, so apparently logging out and logging back in will fix it. So we'll do that once this is, oh, this is done. Okay, so let's try. Okay. Oh no, did this just disconnect all of my stuff? Okay, here. Let me move this away. What do you guys think of the music? In the beginning I was playing more house, but right now I have like the soundtrack from the Social Network movie. Is my favorite movie. I love the soundtrack from what's his name? Trent Reznor? No, that's not him. Okay, login successful. Okay. Okay, can I use oh, look at this. It's now showing this is now part of your plan, so I should be able to use it now. Oh, there you go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's put some hype music now that I got this set up. Let's find some hype music here. I don't really know. Is this hype? Oh yeah, this is gonna activate because Fable just activated, guys. So now we got it activated. Let's go. Look at this guy. Oh, he's gone. What the hell? Is this AI? This video looks like it's AI. Right? I want to know how to dance like that. Let's go. We got Fable. Yo, thank you guys for joining me today. I think that's gonna be it for tonight. I'm gonna be live again tomorrow, so subscribe, follow me on X, follow me on YouTube. That's where I'm posting the most. I'm gonna be live on Kick, Twitch, where else? YouTube and X, okay? If there's any other platforms you'd like me to go live on, let me know. But thanks again for joining me today. Let me read the chat one last time. Kimmy has 2 million parameters on K3. Interesting. Over here it's saying 1 million. Look. On the bottom right here it says 1 million. Oh, I think, no, sorry. This is the context window, right? This is the context window. The parameters is 2 million. Mark, you gonna DJ for us or what? Dude, I am DJing right now. Let's go. Let's go. All right, dope stream. Keep vibing. Thank you. Yo, thank you guys for joining again. That's it for today.